Here's the answer for day 2, problem 1. We're asked to solve this equation. Now this equation has fractions, so the technique is to multiply all terms by the LCD. Let's first find the LCD. If this denominator is 12 and this denominator is 9, the lowest number that 12 and 9 both divide into is the number 36. So let's multiply this first numerator by 36. And multiply this numerator by 36. And multiply 0 by 36. So we're multiplying all three terms in this equation by 36. The reason for doing that is to cancel the denominators. 12 goes into 36 3 times. 9 goes into 36 4 times. And 36 times 0 is just 0. Okay, let's write down what this makes when we multiply. 3 times 2c is 6c. 3 times negative 15 is negative 45. This middle term has a minus sign. Make sure you put that with the 4. Think of it like it's negative 4 being distributed to these. So negative 4 times 3c is negative 12c. And negative 4 times 2 is negative 8. And that's equal to 0. Now let's solve this equation. It no longer has fractions. We can combine like terms. 6c minus 12c is negative 6c. And we can combine constant terms. Negative 45 and negative 8 combine to negative 53. And that's equal to 0. Now add 53 to both sides. We get negative 6c equals 53. And then divide by negative 6. We get c equals negative 53 over 6. Day 2, problem 2. We have another equation that we're asked to solve, and it has fractions. So the technique is to multiply all terms by the LCD. The denominators are a 3 and a 2. The lowest number that 3 and 2 both go into is the number 6. So let's times this by 6, times this numerator by 6, times the 8 by 6, and times the 0 by 6. We're timesing all terms in the equation by 6. The reason to do that is so the denominators cancel. 3 divides into 6 twice. 2 divides into 6 3 times. And 6 times 8 is 48, and 6 times 0 is 0. Okay, now let's multiply and write down what we get. 2 times k makes 2k. When we get to this section here, notice the minus sign. Be sure to include that with the 3 so that you're thinking of it as negative 3 distributed to these terms. Negative 3 times 3k is negative 9k. Negative 3 times negative 5 is positive 15. Then we have a minus, and 6 times 8 is 48. And then we have equals 0. Now let's solve this equation, which has no fractions left in it. First step, combine like terms. 2k minus 9k is negative 7k. And then combine the constants. 15 minus 48. That's negative 33. And that's equal to 0. Now add 33 to both sides. We get negative 7k equals 33. And then divide by negative 7. So we get k equals negative 33 over 7.